Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, introducing the Mortagon lily. It's beautiful, luxurious, and unique. The care and handling is very simple. Remove the lower foliage, give it a fresh cut, and then drop it into a vessel pre-mixed with flower food. The biggest issue is purchase them when they are still tightly closed, or you can't even really tell what it is, because once they're open, they don't transport quite so well. So you want to buy them tight like this, give it a cut, put it in with the flower food, and then let it open. As they do, you'll see there are many different colors. The pollen nodules stain, just like any lily. So you may want to remove those, just like so. Remove the lower foliage, cut them, and place them. So now you know how the pros do it with the Mortagon lily.